Hey friends, Miranda here. I have a riddle for you. What sits in the corner of your room or closet and quietly collects everything? Your vacuum. Most people think of vacuums as the clean heroes of the home. But here's the thing. Over time, the vacuum bag or canister starts collecting dust, dirt, pet hair, and even tiny allergens. And if you don't empty it regularly, it can start spreading some of that stuff back into your air. Even if you have a HEPA vacuum, the filter can get clogged. A clogged filter doesn't trap particles as well, so instead of sucking up dust, it can let it escape right back into your home. It's kind of like trying to drink water through a straw that's almost blocked. Not much gets through, and the stuff that does can surprise you. And here's a little bonus fact. Did you know that vacuums can sometimes hold mold spores if they've been used on damp carpets or rugs? That means the next time you vacuum, you might actually be spreading mold around instead of cleaning it up. So what can you do? Empty the canister or bag after every big cleaning. Rinse washable filters when you can, and replace them on schedule. Small steps, big difference. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What's the weirdest thing you've ever found in your vacuum? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget, we do giveaways on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, so head over there for tips and free goodies.